All right, good morning, guys, and welcome to a new pre-market analysis. And what a movement during New York yesterday. Look at that. Look at the size of um look at the size of London session compared to New York. So that's London. New York is literally more than double the size. So a lot of movement during New York, especially because of the news. So um that's there were no trades, or there were some trades actually, but I was not trading New York. Oh, I need to sneeze. Sorry. We got some nice, decent moves from it. We can see that. Sorry. Oh, that we were building up liquidity during. Oh shit. Ah, during we were building up liquidity during London, and then what is this? Come on. And then we got that move down after that bullish break. That there was no entry, by the way, in this, because I was talking about this. Where is that? We have Asia lows. Fucking hell. Asia lows taken, so we can look for longs. And actually, I think there was a little long here, but that was before my trading time. Asia lows taken, previous daily lows taken, previous weekly lows taken. Oh, it doesn't stop as usual. And then, sorry, and then we could see that break, and that was a nice entry over here. But other than that, there was nothing there. So, yeah. We tapped into that. We reacted to this one. That's where we are right now. Well, you can see we have our previous daily high up here. Come on. It's so annoying. And we had this range from this high down to this low. We reached back into premium. Now the question is, did we break below? Yes, we did. Just about, but it is valid. Now I gotta see over here as well. So here it's equals. That's a bit tricky. Oh, since the whole time. What is this? Right here it's equals, but you can see on FXCM it is very tiny break, and a break is a break. So we are now working with this range. And again, therefore, I mark it on like this. Sorry, I got so distracted by this sneezing thing, and uh, I'm just marking on my things first, and then I will go deeper into it. Yeah, so this is the range we're working with right now. At the bottom, we have previous daily lows. So even if it's equals, we got nice. Then we have very nice equals. On the bottom. So that's all right as well. All right. Because then we have nice equals at the bottom as well. So we got previous daily low up here. Yeah, we can see that we have an area of supply over here. Got that liquidity there. Oh, that's Asia high, my bad. And then we got Asia low here and a nice little trend line over here. That's looking good. Then we got internal range liquidity for this leg taken. I'm gonna mark out everything first and then we'll dive into it because that's better. But now you can also see how I do my markups. So that's why I do it during the recording and not before. Mm. So what's GU doing? Damn, that's pretty accurate. Good, nice. Yeah, okay, that's previously low. That one is now over there. That one is now over there. Hold up, because this will make it much easier for myself. Oh, I gotta stop doing that. It's so annoying. It's a tick? No, that's not a tick. In Dutch, it's called a tick. Maybe it is in English. All right. So pre-market analysis. Where are we? Where can we go? What is best options? What are the best options? So we got this bearish range going on over here, first of all. And it's kind of squeezing, it's becoming smaller, indicating that we might move up or down here with a pretty fast pace, or pretty fast pace. We will move up or down, and that's what I'm expecting at least. Yesterday's candle took the lows, took previous daily lows, left a nice wick to the downside, indicating that we might turn around, and we turned bullish. So we wicked down and we turned bullish, and that might indicate that we are ready to take out this liquidity to the upside. This is our second time inside that discount pricing for this blue range. So this was our first step. Then we got some minor internal breaks, minor internal structure. Now we broke down to the downside for a second time. So now we might get that bullish turnaround. Yes. 4 hour wise. Now this was of course on the back of news. So New York was a huge doji candle in the size of candle, and then after that it was just slow PA. And now we have some correctional candles during Asia. And if we don't break to the upside, we can still look for shorts here. Although I think that that's not actually, yeah, it is good. So, but what I want to see here now is like some realignment. So maybe at least take this low first, and then I want to see a confirmation based entry, maybe on the 5 minute or something. Although this is like a 5 minute break. But as of now, the only thing I can see here is that we had some early sellers actually. But not the cleanest. I want to see like a clean low being taken. This is not like best low, maybe. It is a low, but it's not like a true structure point, if that makes sense, because that will be this one. Although we could say that we have early or Asia high as early sellers as well. So as we break to the downside over here, and then we come further up. So then that would mean that I want to see a break over here. And then we can look for potential short trades. But again, against that trade is the price behavior after we took previous weekly lows. So gotta be careful with that. But I would say look for shorts over here. DXY. Not quite as deep this retracement, but it played out nonetheless. Break down, taking out these lows here, respecting this, then bring to the upside again. And now we reach deeper into that range, and there's not much left actually, because we took the internal range liquidity. So if the turnout doesn't come from here for longs, then I don't know where it should come from. Want to add to that? Let me this out. Broke to the upside over here. That means that, yeah, so deeper retracement into that premium pricing, and we still got bullish structure going on. Low, a high, a higher low. Now we had a higher high. So working from this low to this high, and there's a lot of liquidity actually here to the downside, if you ask me. So I don't know if this will hold, but we can also look for longs below this. That would mean for EU shorts from probably somewhere up here, and then I would like to, because I think I removed it yesterday. Oh no, that's all the way up here. Maybe because I was thinking maybe get back again into this PY here that just got tapped over here, and then giving a nice potential short entry. Got to see how price reacts from up here. For now, this looks clean, bit early in price, or in the day already. So yeah, let's just see. For GU, it's a bit messy if you ask me. Well, it's not messy, it's clean. We have that realignment. We had this bearish range. Now we have this bearish break. So shorts from these areas would be very nice. Although this leg doesn't have much internal range liquidity. So ideally, if we want to take some internal range liquidity, we want to take that high first. And then we can look for sells from the upper PY, upper supply zone. Yeah, so the sells are for me on the cards, no longs today. And let's just wait and see what price gives us. For EU, I would say sells from this area, DXY, It's lining up with EU. So that's nice. GU, I would say, yeah, you can take it from here, but ideally take that interrange liquidity over here and then give us that sell off. No, yeah, you got some early sellers here. Actually, let me check. Oh, fuck. Yeah, all right. So we got some, this came above, right? Yeah. You could say that Asia is your early seller move, but yeah, then you want a clean bearish break now with impulse to the downside, and we gotta wait at least for this to play out. Now we also know that we have some news today. That's in the afternoon during New York, but it is NFP. So we might just see super slow PA during the first half of the day until we have FOMC. So yeah. But shorts, and shorts. I only have one entry. So this time I will stick to EU. I don't care if GU plays out this time. I just feel better with EU. Although, nah, Asia highs. Best thing would be if we take previous daily highs first, because yeah. But we'll see. All right, so shorts, high time frame wise, where are we targeting? If we take shorts, we targeting these lows, but we know that we reach deeper into this, so we might not get a short entry. We might break to the upside. That doesn't mean I want to look for longs, because I only want to look for longs after we break to the upside, because that's the highest probability. Yeah, so that's it. Peace out. Catch you guys later.